Well, at least we ended Saturday on a pretty nice note after all the rains overnight last night and about half the day this morning. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network had temperatures falling into the low to mid 50s. We should see some 40s under clear skies coming up by tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at our time lapse from Orange earlier today. Look at all the clouds we had this morning, had the areas of rain, had some 1 to 3 inch rains in parts of the lakes area. Out of this entire event, we had some totals up as much as 5 inches across parts of the triangle. We see the rains falling throughout the morning hours, but notice the wind shift, the clouds moving from west to east. Low pressure pass just to our south in the Gulf, and watch the clearing take place. Made for a beautiful Saturday afternoon. It was beautiful. Brought in some drier air across southeast Texas, and it was absolutely beautiful. Now, rain chances look near zero next couple days. That's good news. We need as much dry weather now as we can, and the rain chances are back by late in the day Tuesday to about daybreak Wednesday. 40, 50, 60% coverage. Be a fast mover, though. Pretty good cool front coming in. Give us some scattered storms then. We're in the 60s right now, and that was the high temperatures today, too. It rebounded nicely after the cool rains we had this morning. We rebounded into the upper 60s to near 70 in some areas. 50 now in Jasper. Will drop into the 40s by mornings. That dry air continues to work in. Northwest Texas, you're looking at 30s right now. 35 Lubbock, 39 Amarillo, 45 Waco, 53 in Houston. So a fairly cool night coming up. There's a big area of low pressure in the upper atmosphere moving out. Drier air in the upper atmosphere coming in. So it looks dry coming up for the next 2.5 days before we see those rain chances returning Tuesday night overnight. There goes the upper level storm system that gave us all the rains the last couple of days. It's moving out. The high pressure ridge out to our west, that's going to build eastward, giving us some pretty nice weather coming up. Now, the next system we'll be watching, of course, system number 1 moved out. Here comes the second one for Tuesday night. The main dynamics with this should pass to our north, but nice little trough digging down. So that'll help push the front through in the overnight hours to around daybreak on Wednesday, giving us that 50 to 60% coverage, showers and storms at that time. Notice beyond that, at weak high pressure in the mid and upper atmosphere. So by the middle end of the week, we're talking temperatures well above normal again. Above normal, highs well into the 70s. Futurecast overnight looks beautiful. West winds, we're in the 50s now. Some areas will fall into the 40s. Coming up by tomorrow morning, next 2 days, absolutely perfect across southeast Texas, dropping into the 40s in the morning, nice and cool. But with a west wind, any time of the year, you have plenty of sunshine. We're going to warm nicely. We should reach near 70 coming up for Sunday and both Monday, starting out in the 40s and 50s, close to 70 by noon and into the lower 70s, a few areas under sunny skies tomorrow, maybe a few high clouds here and there on Monday. That's about it. Forecast looking great with that lower humidity. Your marine forecast, seas will run 2 to 4 feet, southwest to west winds up to 15 knots, water temperature 58. Tonight, mostly clear and cool, overnight lows in the mid 40s in the morning lakes. Upper 40s along Interstate 10, near 50 around Port Arthur and along the coast. Lots of sunshine for your Sunday. Looks beautiful tomorrow. Cool start. Upper 60s near 70, 70 to 72 in the triangle with fairly low humidity coming up. Now your next 10 days looks dry the next 2 days. As we head into Tuesday, look for a 40% coverage of scattered showers. Nothing real heavy expected Tuesday. Cold front will come in right around daybreak, maybe just before on Wednesday, 60% there. It's going to be a fast mover though. We're not expecting any big rainfall totals at all, maybe a half to 1 inch at the most. Then we dry out, kind of cold there Thursday, 39 the low, 59 the high. But after Thursday, the end of this week, next weekend, on into the following week, we're talking above normal temperatures, warm for this time of the year, and temperatures close to 80 a week from Monday.
Wow, 80s. That does not feel like December, almost December at all.
Yeah, especially as we get closer to Christmas. So we'll see how long this pattern will hold, though.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have some colder December weather.
We'll see.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Thanks so much, Carrie.
Not bad. I like cold weather, so.
Yeah, me too.